So we got this situation. If the line this, so let's write down the line ax plus y minus c equals to 0 touches both the curve this x square plus y square equals to 1 and y square equals to 4 times root 2x. Okay, so this line is tangent to both the curves. Okay, and we have to find out value of c. If you'll observe, you have two variables, you have a, you have c, so you need two equation. So one equation you will get from here and other equation you will get it from here. So by solving two equation, two variable, you will get the result. Okay, so now you know that this straight line is tangent to this curve and this curve is a circle. So can I connect with distance from center to the line? Okay, will be equal to radius. Can I say? Yes. So the center of the circle is what? 0, 0. So I'll go with the distance. So point satisfaction upon root over a square plus b square. Okay, is equal to radius. Radius is 1. Okay, so can I do squaring on both sides? So we will have c square is equal to a square plus 1. So we got our first equation. Comfortable? Now I'll go with the second case. So this straight line is tangent to this parabola as well. So if it is tangent, will it satisfy? Like if we will substitute value, we will have one touch. One touch means d should be 0. So in place of y, can I substitute c minus ax whole square equals 4 root 2x. Okay, so it is c square plus a square x square minus 2acx is equal to 4 root 2x. Now I'll write quadratic in x. So a square x square minus, I'll go with plus. Okay, both x are negative only, so I'll go with minus, it doesn't matter. Okay, so 2ac plus 4 root 2 x plus c square. Okay, so we got quadratic in x, correct? Now you know that it is tangent, so we will have one touch. One touch means d should be 0, so I'll substitute d to be 0. So b square, I'll take 2 common, so b square ac minus ac plus 2 root 2 b square minus 4 a c is equal to 0. Now can I divide both sides by 4? Done. So we will have a square c square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square c square equals to 0. So this thing gone, divided by 4 gone. So can I say that ac will be equal to minus of root 2? So we got ac as minus root 2. Now look at this. What I'll do, I'll take value, one of the value. So suppose that I have taken c as minus root 2 by a. So I can substitute here. So it will become 2 by a square is equal to a square plus 1. So 2 equals to a power 4 plus a square. So can I write a power 4 plus a square minus 2? Now you got biquadratic, which is x power 4, x power 2, x power 0. So you know that you will take a square as y. Okay, so look at this. So it is 2, so I'll go with 2 ones are 2. So a power 4 plus 2a square minus a square minus 2. Okay, so I'll take a power 2 common, and here we will take minus common, minus 1. So we will have a square plus 2 equals to 0. So we got a square as 1 or minus 2. You know that this is a is a real number, so square of real number cannot be negative of 2, correct? So we will have 1 only, so a square is 1, so a will be what, either 1 or it is minus 1. And you need, look at this, you need c. So can I replace a square with 1? So c square will be equal to what, 2. So c will be equal to what, plus minus root 2, है ना? But we are interested in what, mod c. So in both the cases mod c will be root 2. I hope the idea is clear.